guys. Part 5. But kinda, yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna type up TTRS. The heater connects. Forget about that. But anyway, oh my god, it always happens. It says TTRS Amazon. Always happens, but I got the right one. Don't ask me why about why I can see. Can you see me in the mirror? Guess where I am in the mirror? Moving. Oh, TTRS is here. Don't look at my login or I'm gonna kill your head off. Wait, guys, comment down below if you're having a disco. I am. Next week, Friday. Because tomorrow's Friday. And wait, never mind. Yeah, correct. Don't look at my password and stuff. You can't really see it. Yeah, you can't really see it. I type my username quick. Well, I'm actually typing it though. There you go. Password's already in. Just gotta look in. By the way, I'm using a mouse. So I think it's so much easier though. I think. Let's see what's on today. Today's sound check again. Yeah, it's a sound check again. But I'm gonna change my avatar. I don't wanna be matching with my rival.
ఇందులో ఒకటి ఉంది
This
కదా
bandit
బట్టలారేసేది
t-shirt.
మనం కూర్చుని అన్నం తింటామా అక్కడ బట్టలారే స్టాండ్ ఉంది కదా అది మందేనా
And I think these better.
ఏ స్టాండ్ అది వాళ్ళదంటున్నావుగా సరే
Connect. I get that set. I think the Black West eats the most. Oh yeah, it does. Oh yeah, it does. Oh yeah, it does. I'll change up the pants. One, I don't want to be matching with my rival. For real, I don't. Connect. Forget about that. Change it a bit up. Change it. Black metal. Look, I don't want to be matching with those idiots. Well, sorry. Let's see. Well, my favourite colour is red, but I don't want it to be emo too, because I'll leave it. Just gotta change my hair colour, and that's kind of it. Or hair style, whatever you call it. What if I get afro? Would that be that? That does look.